Hello, my dear children. This is your Shimna ma'am, and I hope you all are fine and safe. Okay, so today ma'am is here with one more interesting topic, and it's your favorite topic. Can you guess what it is? It's something that you love to do the most. You all love to play games, right? Yes. So our today's topic is all about indoor and outdoor games. So children, let's see what are indoor games. Okay. So indoor games are games which we play inside a room. Okay, which we play inside a room. So indoor games. And these games, it don't require much space. Okay, usually we play these indoor games on a tabletop. Yes, and also these games can be played with 2 or 3 or 4 people. Yes, so children, the indoor games makes your mind sharpen and helps in your brain development. Okay, so while playing your indoor games, you will think a lot and play, right? Yes, so it helps in your brain development. And also these indoor games, it will not be having much physical movement. Physical movement means what? You're running, jumping, no, all those things will not be there. You'll be sitting and playing. So let's see few indoor games. Okay, so first one is a carom board. Okay, so it is a tabletop game where you keep it on a table, right? Yes, the board is kept on a table, and you can see this carom board is having 18 coins. Okay, you can see black coins as well as white coins, and there is one striker and a red coin. Yes, so this is a red coin which is a queen. Okay, so in this there will be 9 black coins and 9 white coins and 1 striker. Okay, and the striker is, now the striker is used to hit the carom coin and the queen across the board to the pockets. Okay, so this is all about carom board. So next one is chess. Okay, it's again a indoor game. So in chess you can see there is a chess board, and what is the shape of this board, children? It is square shape, right? Yes, it is square shape where you can see small squares, right? Small black and white squares that are in alternating pattern. Okay, like they are repeating, right? They are repeating. See, one black, then one white, then black and white, like that. And there you can see different chess pieces. You can see these all are the chess pieces. Okay, so for playing this chess board, you need this chess board and you need this chess pieces, which includes the bishop, knight, then your rook, king, queen, and the pawns. Okay, so there are 6 pieces for the chess. So that's all about chess. So children, next one is isn't your favorite one? Yes, it's Ludo, right? Yes, so Ludo is also an indoor game, and it's a board game which can be played by 2 or 4 players together, in which the player will raise their 4 tokens, right? You can see the tokens here. They will raise their tokens from start to the finish point, okay, by rolling a single die according to the roll of a single die. So this is a dice. Okay, so this is a dice. You can see different number on that, right? Yes. So for playing a Ludo, you need the Ludo board, the counters and the dice. So that's about Ludo. So next one is snake and ladder. Okay, for snake and ladder also you need the token and the dice. Okay children, and each player begin with a token. Okay, they begin with a token on the first square. Okay, you can see the square 1 here, and move their token in accordance with the number they roll. Okay, so if it is 6, they'll start from here, they'll move 6. So like that. So it can be played by 2 or more players. So next is outdoor game. Outdoor games are games that are played outside in a large ground or area. To play outdoor games, you need a lot of space, right? Because it involves a lot of physical movement. Physical movement means running, jumping, right? Throwing, swinging, right? And so for all these, you need more space. And also, the outdoor games will boost your stamina. Okay, it will make you more physically fit. So now let's see few outdoor games. See few outdoor games. So the first one is football. Yes, a football. A football is a outdoor game and it's a popular game. Okay, so in football there is a lot of physical movement, right children? You will be running, you will be kicking, right? You will be passing, and there will be a lot of physical contact also. So this football is played between 2 teams, okay, where there will be 11 players in each team. And how they will score the goal? So the team scores the points by making goals in the goal post. So next outdoor game is cricket. Yes, what I am having with me? Yes, bat and ball, right? Yes, so cricket is a bat and a ball game which involves a team of 11 players each. Okay, so there will be 2 teams with 11 players each, and it will be played on a big field, okay, or ground, where you will be having a pitch in the middle, and there will be wickets. Okay, so these are wickets which you can see on the both ends of the pitch, and there will be there will be 2 umpires to examine the game, and there will be a 3rd umpire also. So that's about cricket. So next is tennis. Okay, so tennis is a racket sport. Racket sport means are the games in which the players use rackets. Okay, they use rackets to hit a ball. So it can be played individually against a single player, or between 2 teams of 2 players each. Okay, and each player uses a tennis racket. This is a tennis racket to hit a ball of specified size and weight, and it bounces over a net of a rectangular court. You can see a rectangular court here, right? Yes, and this is the net. So a ball will bounce over a net on a rectangular court. So children, the next outdoor game is, yes, any guesses? It's basketball. Okay, a basketball is an outdoor game which is played by 2 teams of 5 players each. Okay, and there they'll play on a rectangular court. Okay, you can see a rectangular court where I'm standing, and there will be basketboard, you can see basketball board will be there on both the sides of the court. Okay, so this side also there and other side it's also there. So there will be 2 basketball court. So here the team scores by tossing the ball through the opponent's goal. So children, that's all for today's topic. It's about indoor and outdoor games, right? Yes, indoor games means like your chess, carom board, right? Snake and ladder and ludo, and your outdoor games like football, cricket and basketball, etc. So both these games will make you fit, right? Physically as well as mentally. So you should always play more games. And that's all for today's topic. So bye bye and thank you.